What is wrong with me? All right. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new Tumblr project. We are going to try something new to me today. I've seen this on another channel. I will link to it below, the channel and one of the videos where she does this. The channel is called Fourth and Birch, and the method is called Epoxy Swirl. So I'm going to try to do what she did in her video. She has, I think, 3 videos on this. Again, small channel. Go check her out. Show her some love. She's got beautiful tumblers there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 30 thick from Makerflow. I spray painted it teal with Rust-Oleum 2X spray paint, and we are going to put some resin on it and some glitter. I am using my cuppinator just because I want the movement of the tumbler as it turns to be as slow as it can possibly go to give me time to do what I want to do. Once I get the resin on, then I'm going to apply these different glitters. What makes this different from just pouring on glitter? There's a situation where you put on epoxy, and if you put on glitter, if you just pour on glitter, sometimes the glitter sinks into the resin and it looks sort of like an oil slick. And for some reason, people try to avoid that. They don't want that look, at least not when the rest of the glitter looks like it's on top of the resin and really sparkly, and then you get this one sort of greasy looking spot. So what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna make the whole cup like the greasy looking spot. That's what we're going for. So the glitters I am using Jeannie Lamar and Misty Bonet. These are both from Mr. Nola's Glitters Drag Queen Brunch Collection. I'm also using from Mr. Nola's Coastal Sunrise. This is from their Coastal Dreams collection. And then to round things out, I'm using Luster and Deep Space from Glitter Chimp. The one thing these all have in common is they're approximately the same cut size. They're all fine glitters. My understanding is that it doesn't work as well when you use different sizes of glitter. And we may try that at some point, but I'm going to go with her recommendations since this is my first time trying this. I'm going to mix up 40 milliliters. I'm probably going to put on about 30. You want to be able for it to move around. It's going to swirl. Sit back, enjoy the show. Hey, we're back. Okay, this set up beautifully. I love how it looks. I have put another layer of resin over the glitter so that we could go on and put a graphic on here. We have a nice smooth surface. I'm going to keep this very simple. I've got 2 graphics here. I think I love them both so much that I'm going to put one on this side and one on the other side, and we're just going to call it done rather than me having to pick one. A link to this art below. It's gorgeous. And I am using my favorite brand of printable vinyl. This is the Nito brand. Okay. Just put this right here. Get that placed smoothly and then work your way outward instead of just letting it fall. We will absolutely be doing UV resin to tack this down because I am just making a mess of it here. Oh, that's not good. Maybe if I place this enough times, I'll get it right. Wow. Yeah, that wasn't hard at all. Now the other side is more purple, so I went with putting it here on the purplier side. There we go. That looks quite pretty. I like that a lot. Okay, so I am going to put UV resin over the entire bit of vinyl around the outside as well. The idea is to tack down all of these little bits along the edge because they're going to lift if I don't. Same on this side. And then I will stick, we've got a nice sunny day, so I'll stick everything outside to cure in the sunshine. I'll come back, I will put another layer of resin on it. I will absolutely put into the final layer of resin a little bit of 504, just a little bit, so that we get sparkle on our sunrise as well. Next time you see this, it may very well be out in the sunshine. Here we go.